Welcome to AC Studio. In this video, I will introduce my latest scratch build model of the Firestrike Servo-Turret. I will make a very quick review on my ATV Invader and the Outrider. And as usual, I will have a gallery at the end of my video. For those who are familiar with my channel, or watch my videos before, as you know, I don't really like to speak. I never speak in any of my videos before, so I'll usually use music background. But this time I decided to speak because this is about my work, so I should actually describe in my own words. And also some viewers were saying, look, why don't you speak? Why don't you have a try at speaking in videos? Since this is the first video of 2023, so I'll have a crack at it. And just let me know what you think, if you like me speak, or just, shut up, keep quiet. And so, yeah, please let me know. Anyway, so I have been collecting the 1:18 scale Joytoy Warhammer figures since February last year. And I collect Ultramarines mainly, so you can see all my creation are painted in Ultramarines livery. So I guess most of you know already, I make all this out of cardboard. So I make this out of a 2.5mm cardboard, so you can see how thick that is. That's 2.5mm, and a 1mm thick cardboard as well. A paperboard, I guess that's what they call them. Paperboard. The Firestrike turret is my third scratch build model. And previously, as everybody know, I have made the Outrider, and also I've made the Invader. I used the Games Workshop website and get some photos of it, and I built this whole thing out of the photos. That's it. For example, Outrider, I have this elevation, and I start building the rest of the model, by visual judgment. So I just look at it, how to make it proportional. So this is whatever, like 10 centimeters high, and that could be in the photo showing me that it's half of it. So it's like maybe 5 centimeters wide. So yeah, that's how I've done it. Like just visual judgment, nothing more. And same to the Invader. So I did one elevation, and then I start building it straight away. Just have a guess how wide that will be, and stuff like that. So yeah, that was actually challenging, but you do everything by yourself, and then when you put the figures in it, it works really well as well. So it was really enjoyable, and most importantly, I don't need to spend the money on it. So it was pretty good. We save money, so I could put my money on something else. Something that is bloody expensive. Oh god. The ATV Invader supposed to be a all-terrain vehicle. So, you can see I have the active suspension in the ATV Invader. And that. Yeah. What is the point if you do not have this feature in the model? So this is so important. So that is why active suspension is a must in the design of the ATV Invader. So without that, it defeats the whole purpose of it. And also I saw some of the reviews saying that it is very hard to put the figure into the car. It probably take ages to put it in, but for me, I designed in such a way you can take all this stuff apart. You can take the guns apart. And then this console can be pulled out, and that's it. You can actually take the figure out easily, and you can fit the 2.0 figure into the pilot seat as well. If you watch my video on the ATV Invader, these guns and the shield can be used as portable weapons for the figures. So you can see how they become handheld weapons, portable weapons. Pretty cool. So this is something that you can do in your own design. And for the Outrider, I able to design my own with the rotating front wheel. But whereas in the marketing product, it just stuck there. It doesn't move at all. So this is actually why I like to design my own. I have more features on it. I can do whatever I like. The gun can be pulled out as well, so I can replace it with something else in the future. Yeah, easy. And I watch, some of the reviews. Apparently, the figure cannot be fit really nicely into the Outrider. But in my Outrider, the figure sits, nicely with plenty of space, and it is not a tight fit onto the bike. So you got plenty of space for it, very easy. And it can work with 2.0 figures as well. A lot of people saying, why don't you use 3D printing? 3D printing is fast, it's easy, you can mass produce it. But to me, because I'm a model maker, I don't really prefer 3D printing. I'm not mass producing and selling it, and to be honest, it's actually illegal to make someone else design and mass produce it and sell it. Some sellers in China actually did the Outrider. I saw a few of it, selling more expensive than the Joytoy Joytoy model. Now no one buying it because everyone can get it in Joytoy. And what's the point doing that anyway? Like, this is papercraft. So papercraft obviously means craftsmanship. So I build this out of my skill, not build it out of my computer knowledge or anything like that. And also my visual judgment skill. I build it as it comes. I build this, then I build that. And I make a mistake. Okay, I trim it. Whatever. So it looks as if it takes a long time, but for me, it's actually very easy. Most of the time when I make an element, pretty much 90%, I did it once and it works perfectly. In this whole ATV Invader, I only remake one element, that is the gun mount. And that's it, nothing more than that. So that is, that's what craftsmanship is about. So it's not about 3D printing. 3D printing is just something entirely different. So let's get back to the Firestrike Servo-Turret. Please enjoy the next 30 seconds of the details. And I'll speak to you again. Okay, in terms of articulation, so you can rotate 360 degrees and up, down, up, down. It's actually quite simple. You know how I did it? That's it. So you can see there is the, well, I don't know what they call the rotation part of it. And the inside, you see the cardboard inside, and put it together. That's it, easy. Just how it looks like. That's how it works. Rotation as well. Just do it this way. This is just cardboard. Got a hole in it. That's it. Large peg. Turn. That's it. Easy. And also, I need to consider how to fit the 1.0 or the 2.0 figure, right? Because two figures are actually different size. One is 2.0 is a little bit larger. 1.0 is actually smaller. As per the Games Workshop model, we know that the hand itself, right, the right hand can able to integrate together with the turret. So somehow man and machine is combined together as one. So what happened is I asked myself, how can I design this funny hand thing together? So I came up with a design that is a retractable socket. So that's how it looks like, a socket. So what I did is I need to put a hand out, put it in the position, and then push the socket into the hand. And that's it. So that, you see, now it looks like it is, integrated with the model together. So it works with 1.0 body and a 2.0 body. Pull the bloody hand. Yep. So I use a 2.0 Black Angel Space Marine for now, for this video. That's it, combined. And on the other side, we have a handle. So the handle is also retractable, so I can extend it, and to make sure it fits 1.0 Space Marine and 2.0 Space Marine. So I got this little handle, put a hand in it. That's it. So you can just do this, do that. That's it. Push it back. That's it. So now comes to the last part of this video, the diorama gallery. So please enjoy. I'm going to have a separate video on how I made the turret, and yeah, it's probably gonna come out next month or something like that. Not too sure yet. But anyway, stay put, and keep an eye on my channel, and please subscribe my little channel. If you want to help me, and also help yourself as well, because I'm helping you as well. I show you how I actually make my models. Give me a bit of support. My channel has been growing very slowly because I have 3 different kinds of viewers, because as you know, I collect action figures, I review action figures. I also made my own models on Japanese Railway, and also Hong Kong bus model as well, or Hong Kong dioramas. So my subscribers are come from 3 different regions, United States, UK, Japan, and Hong Kong. I understand that you probably not really interested in other stuff, maybe except Joytoy figures or action figures, but I constantly upload videos on action figures, so I think you should subscribe to my channel. That's all I'm asking for, really. And I openly show you how I actually do my stuff as well, so one day you may have a try at it, and my channel can definitely help. So alright, and I will speak to you next time. Well, if you like me to speak, anyway. Yeah. So now it comes to the end of this video, so please let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what should I do next. If you got any good suggestion, please leave the comments below. And thank you very much.